This is the homework video for Tuesday, 4/18/17. It is Unit 5 homework packet, page 31, number 6. Okay, so the first thing is I really hope you looked carefully at what the labels were here. This was time in hours, and then this was distance from the beginning in kilometers, which means that this person taking a bike trail starts out and then they go further away from the beginning of the trail, and then they start coming back to the beginning of the trail, and by hour 3 they're back to the beginning. So they took a 3-hour bike ride. And also make sure that you have, for each of these different parts, remember this is called a piecewise function. For each of these different pieces of this function, please make sure that you show your slope triangle and the labels on your slope triangle that you use to find the speeds in kilometers per hour. The first question said, when was he going the fastest? And he was going the fastest right here when he was coming back, because he was going 25 kilometers per hour. In question 2, when was he going the slowest? He was going the slowest from 1.4 to 2.4 because he was going 2.5 kilometers per hour. And then the next question is, what times was he going away from the beginning of the trail? He was going away from the beginning of the trail here, which is 0 to 0.8, and then he was going away from the beginning of the trail here, which is 1.4 to 2.2. And then the next question is, what times was he going back towards the beginning? All the way here is he's going back towards the beginning of the trail. That's 2.4 to 3. And then last, during what times did he stop? He stopped twice here, where he's going probably for a rest, 0 kilometers per hour, and he stopped here also before he went back to the beginning. And so that's 0.8 to 1.4 and 2.2 to 2.4. All right, have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.